Hey, Uncle, what's up, you? You go what tomorrow, Amanda. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See today, make sure you go nowhere. Stay till the end of this video because what? I'm about to take you on a roller coaster ride and you will like it. Trust me, you will like it. Let's go. So you have to properly pick this one after the other so that you are sure that there is nothing like animal feces in it. That's the goal. Yeah, not about sound, because at the end of the day you will rinse it and after preparing it you're also going to sieve it. But to make sure that you're not cooking this with any form of animal feces, you have to pick it like this, one after the other, for safety. This is my measuring cup and I need to measure it because I want to make just 7 liters. So this is 7 liters of water in here. Let's add all this stuff. Done. Pouring everything inside. This is blended cloves. Now this is unblended cloves. I just added the blended one so that the flavor can be more enhanced. It's more, is able to infuse more when you blend it. So I'm also adding the unblended one, and this is diced ginger. I will also be adding a fresh blended ginger later. So I'm going to divide it into two. We'll use half to boil while we'll use half fresh. So this is 30 minutes after it was brought to a boiling point. And yeah, this Nepa guy is just took light. So we're going to leave it here till morning. By that time, it would have been very cold, and then we'll process it. Yeah, this is the watermelon. So I'm taking it to the fridge. We'll continue tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, it's already morning. This is midnight, past 12 a.m. So we'll continue maybe from 6 a.m. guys. Good night. Stay tuned to the very end. Here, I was blending the fresh pineapple. Everything you saw me blend here were blended with the already boiled zobo juice. This is from the fresh pineapple and ginger that I set aside, already blended and squeezed. The cooked fruits were already blended, and everything will be poured in here. We'll blend the water. Happy birthday, birthday. This is date syrup that I am adding. I have a video on how to make this on my channel. You can use it in place of your sugars. It's a fruit sugar. So these are as much as we got. Apparently 9 liters here, and guys, it's very sweet, okay, but not with artificial sugar. You saw everything. This is your 4 alive Sweet Zobo drink. You can make it for yourself. Thank you for watching.